with me as I tell you a tale about auto parts. Started on this nice Friday in Carlisle in spring. We're gonna go around and up on the hill and check out what's up there. Can't wait to show you guys what's going on. There's goodies everywhere. Let's do it later.
Push the clutch for a brake. Boom!
How you doing? So drop this guy's number and then
Bicycle built for two. Sweet old Dodge. 1,500 bucks. It could be you. Cool old Dodge RV. Low rider.
Yo, Gio, bro, new Vortex for your 6.0.
yeah, well, we used to have a 6.0.
You can put those engine covers on. Top it up.
We got all day.
Parts and parts as far as the eye can see.
I can brag about how they work.
7,500 bucks. The 1950 Chevy could be you. Or just a $50 door. You could even put wagon wheels on it. Scooties. Scooter, Yamaha, Suzuki. Spitters. You can even buy wood. Random fenders, bumpers. Shorty axles, tires, hoods. You want it, they got it. It's all here at Carlisle. Major pipe cutter. How about a refrigerator? and a sweeper. And I believe a tile cutter. Or a stretched out scooter. How about a girl for your Jeep? The heartbeat of America. Yours today for $27,500. V8. Power steering, power brakes. 1971. If that truck was too clean, you can have you a nice 76. She got a little rust, but she's solid. Here we are at Carlisle Outlook. At least that's what I like to call it. Look at all that rusty goodness. Then we got a Jacob Novacell sighting.
That's scary.
And it goes for miles that way, and it goes on that way. And way over there is the car corral.
Yeah.
All that rusty goodness. And if you were worried about finding a place to go, they got places to go.
Do you have a cylinder and left side or right side cases?
Mobile oil. Need a seat? We got seats. We got brown seats, we got gray seats, we got black seats, we got all the seats. Seats everywhere. Need a diesel welder? How about a nice old Chevy? Heck, you could even get yourself a 1953 Ford van. Now that's too big, we got models. How about your own traffic light? Oh, only one way. Grasshopper, your next mower. We got tailgates, we got front fascias, we've got golf carts. Wheels and tires. There's people looking for parts. Blocks. We got Volkswagen vans, hoods, intakes, shifters, wheels.
We're supposed to say it at the same time.
What are we supposed to say at the same time?
I don't know.
Teddy bear.
Teddy bear.
On a bike.
On a bike.
I think it is.
No, let me go on the other side. Yeah, take that.
Where else are you going to see a Buick wagon next to a old Ford? You got dual Uga horns even. 17.9. It could be yours. Rumble seat. Pretty cool. Sadly, the Skylark wagon has been sold. Still pretty cool. How about an 89 Suburban? Clean title, 134,000 miles, 2-wheel drive. And it still has a window sticker. Pretty cool. Pittsburgh paints. Ken Edwards cigars.
I don't.
There's definitely some deep dish wheels. How about an original engine for your Jaguar? Only 2,000 bucks, 3.4 liter. Pretty cool. How about some furry critters and their horn droppings? Full nice buck.
People that are registered. Okay.
Some massive horns.
What are you looking at? A dog.
Big white.
We got little green aliens hanging out with elephants and the Pink Panther. And toys and toys. Carnival ride scooter. Clear down to a Wienermobile. Oh, I wish I were an Oscar Mayer Wiener. Okay, enough of that. The cart that would be king of all the carts. We may have stopped in a hurry. Scooters, hell, we even got a snowplow. '70 Plymouth, '67 Olds 442, and 1940 Plymouth. That's an interesting lineup.